Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. 2020 Hyundai Kona Preferred all-wheel drive. You probably noticed we stock a ton of them. We love them. We are Kona crazy. Whether it be new or pre-owned, we've got a Kona for you. So again, this is like 2020 Kona. You've seen the kilometers, less than 3,000. Crazy kilometers. This one's in the black color. We try to stock every color we can, and they go fast. So if you see one you like, make sure you call, text, or email us. We'd be happy to send you any additional information, any additional videos, whatever you need. We're here for you in the virtual showroom. So preferred all-wheel drive, as you can see, this one's in great shape, which is to be expected with these type of kilometers. You get the nice preferred alloy wheels, tires are like brand new. Look, still got the dots on the tires. Turn signal indicators on the mirrors. As you move up, you got the fog lights at the bottom there. You've also got this cool hood scoop right there. Really sporty vehicle, and they do not last long. Kona has definitely been our most popular vehicle since it was introduced, and we love them. You can see here, hood's in nice shape, no scratches, dents, or dings. And we like to do this, be completely transparent, so you know exactly what you're looking at if you decide to come visit us in the real showroom. We put the mats back here so they remain nice and clean. As you can see, good sized trunk. This cargo cover can be removed as well. These levers here, you just pull them down, take this off. Split folding 60/40 rear seats. You got 3 child anchors. Spare down here. A nice size. If you need the room, fold all that down, take that privacy car up, get some more space for a fun project at home. Put those mats back there. I'm going to show you the rear, and then we'll make our way up to the front. So it's got a nice fun interior, little two-tone stitching. Cloth seat, everything's in really nice shape. Carpets are in nice shape. I mean, I don't think anybody's even sat in these vehicles. They are in fantastic shape. Power windows to be expected. Proximity key, push button start. Hit it once, unlocks the driver's door. Hit it twice, unlock all your doors. Once you get out, turn the vehicle off. Hit it once, lock all your doors. No more fondling with the key. It's a great feature. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors right here. Locking rear windows for the kids. Adjustable, manually adjusting driver's seat, great feature. Because we're not all the same size. You can adjust your interior illumination, you've got lane departure warning, you can shut your traction control off. Jump in, there we go. Oh, I just blocked it out. Push button start, less than 3,000 kilometers. I mean, that's crazy. 97,000 kilometers of full factory warranty. How great is that? Leather wrapped steering wheel. Volume controls, hands-free calling right on the left side of the steering wheel. If we move over, cruise controls right here. You got your information center, which you can toggle through and adjust some of the preference of the vehicle to your specs, to your liking. We move over here, some of the nice comfort features. Heated steering wheel, my favorite. 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You got downhill brake assist. You got drive modes. You can drive it in eco, normal, sport. So again, it's all how you like to drive it. It's electric steering, so we encourage people to toggle through to see what works best for them. 4-wheel drive lock for one of those cold, snowy winter days, which we hope not to see for a long time. You got all your auxiliaries and inputs down here. Your temperature controls, really nice, easy layout. Air conditioning, defrost, very functional. So when you're driving, you're not looking for things, easy to use. We move up. Here's your infotainment center with your backup camera. Again, simplistic. Touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities. So plug your phone in, heading out of town, access to navigation, real-time traffic reports. No need to jump up to the top of the line model anymore. It's at your fingertips. Great feature to have in your vehicle. So again, we've just shown you a 2020 Kona. I mean, I'll show you the cloth, the dash. Everything's in really nice shape. There's nothing to be worried about. Tons of factory warranty. We're stocking tons of them. Don't miss out. Pick your color before they're gone. And as always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. And please call, text, or email us if you have any additional questions on this vehicle or anything else you see on the website, and we'd be happy to help in any way we can. Thank you and happy shopping.